Welcome. In front of me is a Chuwi HiPad X, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, pull down your notification, and somewhere in here you'll find battery saver. For me it's right in the middle. So once you locate it, click on it. It gives you this pop-up, turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns off or restricts background activity, some visual effects and other high-powered features to extend battery life. So let's select turn on. As you can see, it turns on dark mode, and right now it's running and saving your battery just a tiny bit. Anyway, that is how you can enable this mode. Now once you're done with it, I believe when you plug it into charge, it turns it off automatically. That might be wrong, but you can also turn it off manually yourself by finding the toggle, tapping on it yourself, and as you can see, it turns off and everything goes back to functioning normally. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.